Hi, I'm Dee from Deelovelylife and welcome to my channel. Today I want to tackle a small area. This is going to be real quick. Oh yes, donate these. So cool. Welcome to another episode of Summer Series, Time to Declutter, Decluttering with Dee, Declutter Motivation, basically. So this summer, I'm going to take the opportunity to declutter small areas a little bit at a time. I don't really want to go throughout the whole house and declutter everything like I've had done in the past. I will leave the link to those videos in the playlist down below with all of the collabs I have done, challenges, 30 bags in 30 days, those type of motivation videos. I got you in the description box. I wanted to tackle just an area that has just been bothering me like every day because hello, I do my hair, at least I try to do my hair every day, and I have this one little area that I'm constantly going through, and there's so many things I've tried to keep from the past decluttering, and I'm wondering why Dee? Why are you holding on to these things? So it's time to revisit that area. And let me show you. There I am. Here's my jewelry box, and I'm not gonna go through that today. This is the area. I have my nail polishes here in the 30 bags in 30 days. I had this just like this probably at that time, which is like about, 6 years ago or so. And now look at it. It's... It grew over time, and I have some empties, and half of the stuff I don't even use anymore, so those need to go. Let me grab a bag and let's get to decluttering. I dread to go into the spot, and I know it's a small little area. Why am I holding on to all this stuff that it can be easily checked out or replaced? I'm sure some of this is probably old. It's just a habit, I guess, that I just really need to stop. If something's not working, then you need to stop and just try to reorganize it, declutter that area, and then just attack it. I haven't done an empties video, so I'm sure I'll probably do some reviews of some of the products that I do use. I'm going to go over my nail polish a little bit, but I have an extra video that I'm going to be doing shortly coming out. So if you guys are interested in something like that, then stay tuned. Make sure you click that subscribe button. If you like empties videos and decluttering videos, then this is a video for you. I'm also trying to drink more water. The struggle is real and it's hot, so I'm trying to stay hydrated. This is the problem area. This is actually empty, and I was keeping it because I wanted to do an empties video, but I have not done one in a while, so that is just going to be tossed out. But before I do toss this out, this is the Suave Professionals Strengthening Leave-In Cream. I use it like a leave-in conditioner. I really do like it. It's nice and light. It doesn't feel heavy, and it's very inexpensive. Go ahead and just get rid of that because I have one right here. This one I want to keep, so I'm going to place all my keeps right here. This is the anti-frizz, and this one is okay, but it leaves my hair really oily. This is made by the Garnier. So I'm going to go ahead and toss that one too because I have something else that I like. This is the other one that's going to replace that. This is the Macadamia Smoothing Cream. It defrizzes and controls the curls and texturizes. I really like this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep this one. I'm a Pantene girl, so I'm gonna keep my hairspray. This is brand new. This one here, I really like this. I found this at Walgreens. The Salon Graphics, and it's the dry shampoo, no white powder residue, refreshes without water. I really like this. I don't know if Walgreens still carries this, but this is on clearance. I only have enough for maybe one more use, and that's it. So I'm going to keep that one. The leave-in treatment, Infusium 23 Repair and Replenish. I've had this now for over 2 years. I'm going to go ahead and toss this one. This one is just an empty box. I think I was just gonna hold it just to, I don't know, show it to, well, I use a Lancome Genifique. It's a serum. I love this thing. This does wonders if you're ever looking for a serum. This one just makes your face look so smooth. I love it. Okay, dilemma. I got this big one. I've had this Bio Silk. I love this thing. I have been using this since like the 90s. This one is probably over 5, 6, 7 years old. And look at the top. It just looks nasty. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one because I have the small little sleeker little one here. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep the smaller one. That way it gives me more room here. I have my hair wand. I'm going to keep this one. I still have my curling iron, although this one basically does the same thing as a curling iron. And I think they're pretty much almost the same size barrel. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just donate this one. I rarely ever use this one. And I don't like this because, like, oh look, and then my hair is stuck in there. That's what I was going to say. If you have long hair, does your hair get stuck in that little area right here? Oh, I hate that. So we're going to go ahead and donate that. Recently got this at the flea market. It's one of those headbands. I like using these when I put on my makeup or I'm giving myself a facial. So I'm definitely keeping that. This is one that I would like to find again. This is pretty much empty. It only has maybe one more use, but this is so old. This is a smoothing lotion by the Moroccan Oil, and it smells so good, you guys. If you haven't tried this, oh, I would highly recommend it. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but well worth it. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. This one is the Chi in her texture. That is pretty much done, so that's going to be tossed. Oh, this one is the freezing hairspray. Again, that's almost done. I'm just gonna go ahead and toss that because I have this one right here. I really don't need that. I would have probably kept it if I was traveling, but I'm not. Here's a small little hairspray. I don't know if it squirts. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so it still works. I'm gonna put this in our guest bathroom just in case someone needs it. This is body lotion. I was using that yesterday, and this is what inspired me to do this because it's at the bottom, so I had to constantly get all the way down. But I'm going to keep that. This one here is the bath and shower gel. What is it doing in here? It needs to be in my shower, so I'm going to put that in my shower. Oh yes, my tiara. And of course I'm going to keep this. Hello. I earned it. 50 years, people. Just kidding. So I'm going to keep this. I'm going to actually put this in my closet. But I am keeping it. Here is another Combing Cream Soothe Leave-In by Pantene. I just purchased this. This can go in here just in case if I want to go in between the Suave and the Pantene. That's fine too. I highly recommend this one as well. It's not very thick, or it's very light, and that's what I like. So I'm going to keep that. Here is a fan because let's face it, when I put on makeup, sometimes I get a hot flash. I think I got this in Hawaii. So I like to keep that, but it doesn't have to go in here though, per se. But I will keep that. Oh, let me get some more water. My sis gave this one to me, vintage 1970. Hence the 50 crown. I have a cap. And I believe that went to that. There we go. I have a Torrid card that I no longer need. This came into one of those boxy charms. This is a leave-in treatment cool way. I've tried this a couple of times. I wasn't that impressed with it, so I don't know again why I'm holding on to this, so that can actually go. Here's Lancome Nutritious Royal Body Intense Lipid Repair Cream. I've had this like over a few years now, so I'm going to go ahead and toss that. No need for me to carry that. Oh, I found this at a thrift store, and I still use it even though it's dusty, but I still want to keep that. I've been wanting to straighten my hair. Oh, here is a pair of sunglasses. I think it's safe to donate these. And last one here, this is the L'Oreal alcohol-free Everstay Volume Root Lifting Spray. I've tried this so many times. I really wanted to like this, but really it did not work. I have a lot of hair, thick hair, and it just didn't work. So this is a no-go. I was trying so hard to enjoy this, but now I have to clean underneath it. I have some of these, but one of them is already splitting. So we can go ahead and get rid of that one, and I'll keep that one. I mean, look at all that stuff that I was keeping in there, right? So there, yeah, and some stuff must have leaked out. So let me go ahead and take some Windex and let me wipe that up. Okay, there we go. Much better instead of that huge pile that was right there. So everything from my hair products is all in this little basket. Love it. My nail polish rack, a DIY project that I'm very proud I got to do. It was an Old Spice rack. So if you have one of those wooden Old Spice racks, you can do your own nail polish holder. I'm currently in the middle of making another video regarding doing your nails. Mine looks hideous, and I've explained it in that other part of the video. If you're into nail polish and you're a caregiver and you're just like at your wit's end because you can't really do your nails, then I would highly suggest watching that next video. I'm trying to get rid of some of these nail polishes. So right off the bat, I can see like this one is, yeah, do you see that? That can go. I'm gonna go just through these. Gone. Now, I really was just keeping this as a sentimental thing, but she's not even that sentimental about it. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. This one is already separated. Isn't that pretty? But it's already totally old, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. Yeah, this one's over 4 years old. Get rid of that one. That one's pretty new. Rapid Dry, I think I'm going to go ahead and keep that. This one, I didn't really like how this one actually looked on my fingernails, so I'm going to get rid of that one. You can get rid of that one. Same thing with this one. I don't really like it. I do like this one, so I'm going to keep that one. It's a bit on the old side, but I do really like it. I don't know why. That one goes with the silver sparklies, so we're going to keep that. I like this one too, but I think this one's old, quite too dry. I really like this one, but this one is old. All the CoverGirl ones are like over 4 years old, 5 years old. Again, I don't know why I'm holding on to these. Clear polish. This one is old. We can get rid of that one. This one, you always need clear polish. Fingernail file. These right here are all new, so I'm going to keep those. I do like my Wet n Wild. I'm going to keep that one. I do like this one. I'm going to keep that. This one is old. That can go. Ooh, that one is so pretty. That one I can keep. You know when you get to that dry, it's like dry and it just, yeah, it's really hard for you to apply it on your nail. So I'm going to go ahead and just toss that one, although I do like that one. Oh, I love this color, Raven Red. Keep that one. This one, like it's separating, and get rid of that one. This one, so pretty. I'm going to keep that. Is this vintage? Ooh, that one's pretty too, but it's separating. Get rid of that. Same thing with this one. This one is actually from my mom. She doesn't like wearing that one anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one for her. That one's a pretty one. I've had this one forever. Time to let go. Cherry, this one is good. Look at that. It's old. I need to replace that one because that is one of my favorites. So, coming down on the bottom here, I'm going to get rid of that one. I like this blue one. I don't know why, I just do. Same thing with this one. I like that one. I'm going to keep that. The Insta Dry, I really like this one, but it's separating. It's old. I could always replace that. That's to be tossed. This one actually goes with these right here, so I'm going to keep that. I got this at a Boxy Charm, I think it is. I can go ahead and toss that one. Same thing with this one. This was an old one. I need to replace that. Oh, this one is fun, but this one is dry. Look. I think that was a fun color. Gone. This one was a different one. This one is actually scented. It's by Revlon. I don't think they even make this one anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss this one. This is actually the color of my bridesmaid dress for my wedding. This is an old one too. I like this one as well. But time to let go of that one. Ooh, this one is so pretty. I remember I just got this one at TJ Maxx last year. Oh no, I'm gonna save that one for right now. Same thing with this one. This is a Sally Hansen Mega Strength. I like this. It's a pain to take off though, but it's okay. I think it's really pretty. Oh my goodness. You guys, that's all I have left. All I gotta do now is just take everything out, and then I need to dust. How many is that? That's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17, 8. All right, there are 26 nail polishes that I am decluttering. Goodbye. Look at this. I am super happy with this space. Love it. So all of these products here was just totally cluttering up that space. Hey, if you like these type of videos, click that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up. I feel super awesome now that I've attacked this area that just means the most to me, that I use every single day. I feel so much better. Just by taking a little bit at a time can totally make a difference. So I hope this gave some of you guys out there some decluttering motivation, some mega motivation, just to get you started to tackle just a little space at a time to help you declutter your home. Until the next one, guys, make sure you take care of yourself. Check out the playlist down below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Oh yeah, I'm wearing this. Oh no, that totally leaked. All right, Houston, we got a problem here.